That was funny, right, Violet? Do that again. Do that again, honey. Go ahead. Hit the tambourine. I think that's what she laughs at. You don't have the little stick, do you? Where is that thing?
A crocodile.
I think you need something metal, honey.
Let's dance to my flopper music. Let's dance to my flopper music. Let's dance to my flopper music. That's my flopper music.
Mm-hmm.